your boy Wanel, and I'm back again with another video. Today we're just going to look at how I use this tool here, which is data and price range. Basically, I use data and price range to predict on how long is the move going to take for it to reach a certain point. What do I mean by that? I mean, how long is this move going to take from this level going up here up until it touches the second trend line that I drew, right? So how do I use this thing? So what I do basically, I just put it at the lower low of the trend and then drag it up until the top level where the trend started changing the direction. And then I do the same thing with this one, with the second wave, drag it up here up until the top trend. So if you can look at this pattern, you can see here it took 46 bars and 1 day and 22 hours for this trend to reach up here. And then this one, it took 38 bars. It was 1 day and 14 hours. But basically, I don't really focus on the bars. I only focus on the time, on how long it took. So if these two trends, they took like a day and a half, both of them, they took more than a day to reach up here. So the chances are for this third wave, it's going to take even a day and a half to reach up here. So what I do is I just take a previous data and price range tool, I clone it, I just drag it, come and put it here. Or other ways, you can just draw it. You can just put it here, drag it up until it reaches the top trend line. Then you can see your prediction on how long this move might take. It might take 3 days, or it might take 1 day like the previous one. Sorry about that. That was an advert because I'm using a free platform. So this is a EuroCAD. I'll make another example using the Euro USD. So with the Euro USD, currently it's on a correction phase. It's on a correction phase. It's coming down like that, down like that. It's currently coming to this line. So when it touches this line, it's going to push up like that. The chances are like that, but we're not 100% sure if it's going to push up when it touches this lower trend line there. But anyways, let's use this tool. So we're just going to use this tool to track on how long it's going to take for this move to reach here on this level. But how are you going to do that? We can use the previous corrections. Just put this thing here, drag it up until the lower trend line. See, it took 7 days and 8 hours. Drag for the second correction. It took 4 days, and then now we are on the third one. We are on the third correction, so probably it's gonna take like around 5 days and 20 hours for this to reach here, because our plan is, if I can drop down to a lower time frame, our plan is once this thing pushes down to this level or here, it's going to push up like that, bounce here, push even further. The reason why I'm saying that is because you can see what has been happening all along. The market has been pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So it's going to push up to this level here, or if it breaks this level, it's going to go to this one, to these high highs. I hope you enjoy this. If you like me to share more of this video, please put down in the comment below. Cheers.